There's a school that was established long time ago, very long time ago. And the founder of the school is none but Iblis himself. The school is called ISD, Iblis School of Destruction. Unfortunately, many people are still enrolling in the school, and some people graduated from that school straight to the hell. The main principle of the school, after I give you some examples, you will understand. Allah ordered Iblis to make sujood to Adam. He refused based on his logic. Please listen carefully. He refused based on his logic that I am better than him. خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين. You created me from fire and he created him from mud. And he refused to make the sujood, forgetting an extremely important matter, which is, it's not about the sujood. It's an order from Allah Azza wa Jal. وَمَا مَنَعَكَ أَلَّا تَسْجُدْ إِذْ أَمَرْتُكَ. Why you didn't make sujood when I ordered you? He thought it's just about sujood. I am better than him. I'm not going to make sujood. It's not about the sujood. It's about an order from Allah Azza wa Jal that you refused. Another person enrolled in that school years after, and that was the son of Nuh alayhi salam. Ya bunayya irkab ma'ana. My son, come and join us. Let's be saved. He said, no, I'm going to go to a mountain that will protect me from the flood. He used his logic. It's a flood. I go to a high place, I will be saved from the flood. يَعْصِمُنِي مِنَ الْمَاءِ. What did the father say? لَا عَاصِمَ مِنْ أَمْرِ اللَّهِ. This is an order from Allah. There's no protection from the order of Allah. It's an order. It's not about just logic. This is high, flood is low, let me be protected. Now let's come back to now. Brother, why don't you pray? Brother, imān is right here. The prayer, it's just movements. It's not about the movements. It's an order from Allah Azza wa Jal. My sister, why don't you wear the hijab? It's just a piece of cloth on the head and some loose clothing. My heart is clean. I have strong imān. My sister, this is an order from Allah. It's not an option. We are making the same mistake. People are still enrolling in ISD. Why don't you go to Hajj? Brother, going around the stone, kissing a stone, throwing a stone. I could have given the money somewhere else. Habibi, it's an order from Allah. It's not about the rituals. It's an order from Allah Azza wa Jal. This is what we're missing. Stop dealing with riba. Stop, brother, it's only 2%. And the guy is taking my money and investing it, and he's making money. What's the big deal if he shared it with me? Stop it, because it's an order from Allah. It's not about the logic. They said that. إِنَّمَا الْبَيْعُ مِثْلُ الرِّبَى. They said the same thing. Selling is the same thing as riba. But Allah, أَحَلَّ الْبَيْعُ وَحَرَّمَ الرِّبَى. This is halal, this is haram. I said so. Done. It's an order. Whether it makes sense or does not make sense. The point is, when we know Allah Azza wa Jal, we will know for a fact that He only orders what's good for us. And whatever He has prohibited, it definitely, without a speck of doubt, it's evil for us. Very short khatira. Please do not enroll in ISD. Ignore the principal who's still alive and still trying to recruit as many students as possible to his school. May Allah save us from his school. We don't want to meet him. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala do not make us see him forever. May Allah gather us with Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.